To those who are still asking, why sisebenzisa le gama lika Jesus? The Bible, what John 14:14 says, if you ask anything in my name, I will do it. And I know in your everyday prayer, God bless our food in Jesus' mighty name, amen. And then when you pray, maybe when you wake up in the morning, okay, I get it. But because of you receive and you bless the things that you are getting, you underestimate this name, but this name is powerful. Then you grow spiritual. Then God ukwambulela izinto ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho. Izinto nawe zizokuthusa, izinto zizokumangaza ukuthi hayibo, when did this happen? How did this happen? Why are these people doing this? Because of people in the physical, they smile, they are good, they are abantu ababonisa ubuntu, and all of that. They're good. But behind the scenes, when you are not looking, la uNkulunkulu yena abonelela khona ebumnyameni nakukhanyeni, ila uthola enye amaqiniso. Liyasebenza leli gama, kanti futhi linamandla. Lisebenzaphi? When you are in a situation where darkness wants your light, wants to destiny swap with you, when you are in a situation bafuna ukukuthwebula, when you are in a situation where they want to kill you before your time, when you are in a situation where you see other people being oppressed, but ba-oppresswa ngobumnyama laba bantu, wena mntana oboniswa, wena ukwazi ukubona leli gama liyasebenza. Ngoba these very same people go to these dark practitioners, babayenzise zonke lezi zinto lezo. Do you think when you will also go to another practitioner ucabanga ukuthi uzokwazi ukubalisa? You'll be busy fighting fire with fire. There's a lot of things that people are doing there abasebenzisa ubumnyama. People go to graveyards and do spells and do in, and then they throw those things at you. Do you think now you'll have to go to another practitioner for you to fight that whole darkness situation that is happening? Cha, ngoba everything uyayiboniswa ngamaphupho. When you are being attacked, uyaboniswa ngokukamoya. Uzozibona ngokukamoya laphaya izinto zikwenzakalela. So do you think you have to wake up the next morning and rush to the next practitioner ozokwazi ukukusiza and then you ask for remedies? No, you have to pray. John 14:14 says, if you use my name, ask, usebenzise igama lami, you will receive everything that you are asking for. You ask God to protect you. You ask God to not angavumi ngawe kubo bonke ubumnyama ojijelwa ngawo, kuyo yonke into abantu abazama ukuyenza, ama-destiny swaps and all of those things. uNkulunkulu angavumi ngawe. It is when you go through difficulties spiritually, when you fight for your own destiny, when you fight for your own life, when you fight even for others, when you start seeing how powerful legama lika Jesu lingakhona. It is so powerful. People who are just having it easy, abavukayo bathandaze babless ukudla kwabo baye emisebenzini, have a normal life, awunake. But wena ke osuboniswe izinto ezinzulu, yila owazi khona. And God allows you to go through things, experience things, so that you come out, so that you can testify to others ukuthi linamandla leli gama, linamandla leli gama. Ngisinde ekufeni yileli gama, ngisinde kuma-destiny swaps yileli gama. Because of people are pulling a facade, they are smiling, but behind the scenes they are not smiling. So linamandla leli gama, walisebenzisa and pray with your all. Vula inhliziyo yakho, pray with your all. Uzozibona ke lezi zitha. uzobabona laba bathi bezama ukukucindezela kodwa beyohlala behlezi behluleka ngoba yilona leli gama elinamandla. There are people who are supposed to be successful bayiphilele kahle and all of that kodwa bathathelwa amandla bacindezelwa labo bantu labo. A lot of destiny swaps happen. So you thinking when owenza le destiny swap you go to a practitioner uthi icela kusiza lokho lokunika iwasho ikunikeza izinto ukuthi uphalaze kanti iqiniso ukuthi kukhona into yakho yathathwa esetshenziswayo and they are busy monitoring you ukuthi are you trying to get help or what. So kneel down ulisebenzise legama likaJesu. Legama likaJesu lingena ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wethu, lingena ngaphakathi kwemindeni yethu, lirivila amaqiniso ngama-family members ethu. Sibona ama-true colors ngalo leli gama likaJesu ngoba Christ brings division ngaphakathi kwekhaya. You see people for who they truly are ngaphakathi kwekhaya. Wathi uliphakamisa leli gama uqala ungena in another war zone enzima kabi. They can delay you, they can try to block you, but trust you me, angeke baze bayithole le abayifunayo. Kuyogcina wena lo uphakamisa leli gama likaJesu. Amen.